everyone, and a special hello to you that's watching this video. I showed you most in the previous videos how to make a nappy and a vest for the little baby, and then obviously how to make this quick and easy to use pattern for any type of clothing for this little baby. I will show you here on top somewhere, I think there, a link to the video that will show you how to make this little pattern. So today I'm going to make a little baby grow. It's actually so easy. I also showed you last time the socks, the secret socks I used. So I already cut this one open. So now I've got this little piece. It's the perfect size for a little doll. So I'm just going to fold it somewhere in half because I know that will be fine for her and the size. And then inside out, the right sides together, inside out. So I'm just going to put this the pattern on the fold line here on top, and then I'm just going to trace it with a pen on the material, just all around the little pattern. And I will assure you, this is for a small little doll like this. I think it's the easiest way to make some baby clothes for her. So yeah, this is definitely the easiest way. So you just go all around the lines here, just to have a guideline of where to sew. So that obviously is the end of the. So that's it, like that. I usually I just put a pin through the material just so it can stay on one place like that. So just that move around. So that's the perfect way. So I'm going to leave it like this, and then, like I said, easy way is, while it's still like this, you just sew all around the lines to make it. You can either do it with hand sew or with a machine. I'm still going to do it quickly with my machine. I will show you just a bit of that as well. Okay, so the easiest way is obviously you're going to leave this part open because that is for the armholes, and then you just put it right here on the line where it starts, and you just sew around the pattern with your on the line. And that is so easy just to do that first, because it's, like I said, it's a small piece. Look at this line. Just go all, like I said, all around the lines quickly. Okay, so it's a bit difficult to see now because I use white, but you just work all around the lines here, like I say, with your sewing machine or hand. So I like to start where I start with the armholes and end, just go back and forth a bit so it will keep in place. And then the easiest part of that is obviously, okay, by the armholes, you cut it on the line there, just so. And then you go all around, just not too close to the work, to the sewing work, the line, and just cut all around your little baby grow here. Like I said, just not too close, otherwise it will open again. But you go slowly but surely, just cut all around. Like I said, on the open side, you just cut it on the line there. And in between the legs, just give it one cut, just not too close to where you cut. So maybe you can just round the corners a bit. Yeah, by the corners. And here in the armholes you can just a little, just to make it easier to, I don't think it's necessary with this. And then you just fold it in half for the little neck. Just got a little triangle out, not too big, small, because it will stretch. And then you just turn it inside out. So, and there you go. There's your little Babygrow. Quick and easy. Okay, like I always like to do is I use my old faithful iron and just flatten it. For instance, here by the arms it will go in, so I just like to flatten that a bit. And some iron the whole. I just like to iron it. I just like it neat and straight. So just push a bit. And it's iron already. Okay, so there you are. And let's try it on for the baby. So because it's stretchy like this, what I like to do is just here like this, then I don't have to hem it. Make it a bit round and just burn it with a lighter quickly so it won't fray. Just be careful, like just don't go together, otherwise it will stick together. And even by the next side, just open a bit so it just come together. And just a bit of the lighter so then it won't fray. And just please be careful, it's hot. And then the most difficult job of making this little Babygrow is to get everything inside. So yeah, but there you go. This is in. Okay, and there you go. Quick and easy. There you are, little Babygrow for our little baby. And it was actually so easy and fast to make it for her. I actually make some more. There's a little purple one I made. Just put this away as well. This I saw made out of an old t-shirt of mine I have, and this is from one of the buffs, the side of one of the buffs. I made this little one as well. And there's also just a piece of cloth for so many years on. But it's like t-shirt and stretchy material. And so she's somewhat got now already 3 Babygrows. So yeah, my daughter, so actually now at least she's got clothes for the winter so far. This one what I did here is I just didn't put on the leg, so I cut just didn't close up here by the leg, so that one is open. So because not all the Babygrows got feet on, and because I'm going to attempt to try and make her little shoes as well. But on the next video I will show you to make a little pants and a little t-shirt as well. So yeah, that's it for today. So see you next time. Bye.